So most of people are facing problems how they can change their YouTube channel name, right? So in this video we are going to discuss how we can change the YouTube channel name. Then we have to simply click on the view channels just below see user, right? Then after that you have to click on the pencil icon on right side of this screen, right? So when you click on the pencil icons, you just see this type of pages appear here. Then after that you have to click on name if you want to change your name, right? So remove this name, remove previous name, and then after that you, if you want to change the name, then type the name according to you which you want to set it. So I just want to save the ones, and then click on save button, then your name will be changed, right? This is how you can change your YouTube channel name. Hope you can understand. So subscribe this channel for more such type of video and comment below. Thank you.